What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Only Tech Book. So today is all about this. This is the famous tech YouTuber Ikea plant. I mean, it's been countless videos that I've watched. Yeah, it's been countless videos that I've watched that involves tech. That I always see this plant. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about it. And yeah, I'm going to show you what it's made out of. Yeah, like just show you guys what it's all about. And yeah, talk a little bit about the plant. Anyway, let's get it. Anyway, guys, as you can see, it's a plant. It's a fake plant. Like, no one's actually done a video like this before, but it's a fake plant. As you guys can see, it's literally right there. It's literally a freaking fake plant. That, yeah, IKEA plant. I mean, the structure is nice. It's made out of the green bits are made out of plastic. And then the bottom is like fake stones in there. I don't know if you can see in there, but look, that's basically what it looks like in there. You can see. And then obviously the bottom, this is metal as well. The base it sits in, it's black. It's nice. It goes with my whole setup because my setup is kind of black, so it goes with the whole setup, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, it's nice. This plant, you can pretty much shape it how you want. Like, you can make it sit like that, so it's like more spread out, or you can make it look like it's more bunched up together, which is pretty cool. This will be definitely going, like, it will be just chilling somewhere when I'm making videos and stuff. And also B-rolls as well. I see a lot of people, like, when they're panning and making the B-roll, literally the plants right there. I'm like, wow. That's amazing. That's pretty damn cool. Well, yeah, it's gonna be cool. Obviously, I thought, you know, I'm gonna buy it and see what we can do with it. But yeah. I mean, the reason why I think a lot of tech YouTubers buy these is because it gives a nice contrast to the video, especially when you're making B-rolls, most especially, right? And you have this in the background. It just gives it that more nice when the camera pans through. Yeah, it gives them more like nature kind of look to the video, to the B-roll, not all just modern, you know, I bet a leaf in there or something like that, like to make it like to spice things up a little bit, to be perfectly honest with you guys. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be going in a lot of my videos. Pick this up for like £3, and in US in dollars it's probably like what, $4 or $5 or something like that. I don't even know. But yeah, it's pretty damn cool. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it just gives it a different vibe. Like, it gives your video more of a different vibe, which is what I like about it. It's just cool. You can just put it there. It's chilling. It gives it more contrast. Give the video more like a, I don't know, gives it some kind of feel to it. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, guys, yeah. If you enjoyed the video, I know it's nothing to do with tech, but you know, I just thought I had to experience that with you guys. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, dislike the video. Comment down below, tell me if you like the video or not. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well for more videos like this. But yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.